What if I told you a random click could turn into a $1,000 crypto airdrop? Sounds fake, right? But people have literally woken up to wallets filled with free tokens worth hundreds, sometimes thousands. Here's the crazy part. Most people miss airdrops because they think it's luck. It's not, it's strategy. Step 1. Use new crypto platforms before everyone else discovers them. Test wallets, swap tiny amounts, bridge assets, and interact with upcoming projects. Step 2. Become a digital detective. Follow project announcements, communities, and rumors. Some of the biggest airdrops rewarded early users who did simple actions months before launch. And step 3. Stay consistent, because one day, you might open your wallet and see a notification that changes everything. Imagine spending a few dollars on transaction fees and suddenly seeing $1,000 appear out of nowhere. But warning, not every airdrop is real. Scammers love fake links and wallet traps. If it sounds too easy, double-check everything. So the question is, are you early? Or are you watching other people post screenshots of free money again? Comment below. If you got a surprise $1,000 airdrop today, what's the first thing you'd buy?